is the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on Jasmy for one of my members. Thank you so much for becoming a member. That's awesome. And yeah, that's what I do. So feel free to ask me anytime. You could even ask me every single day to look at Jasmy, and I'll do it. So the way that I work my channel is that I have my starred. So I do those like every 3-4 days. And then when people comment, hey, can you look at this coin? Can you look at this coin? I usually look at it, but for members, I'll make it a priority. So you messaged 9 minutes ago, so I'm going to do it right now for you. But yeah, that's basically how it works. So you asked if it could hit all-time highs. Personally, me, I don't know. I really don't know, but I wouldn't be waiting until it hits all-time high, because look, it came out and it started dumping right when it started, right when it came out. And the thing is, if you compare it relative to the market cap, it was at a zero market cap, which means that they were releasing coins here when it was this high, and then as years went by, they've released more coins, and now it's fully diluted. So if you look right, even though the price is at 4 cents relative to where the market cap was before, when there were less coins in circulation, so like 27 cents, the market cap was at 1 billion, right? So now the price is at 4 cents, but the market cap is actually more than this previous high, which was here, right, on the market cap. So to answer your question, I personally I wouldn't wait. That's the all-time high, right? 492, 429. So I wouldn't wait that long. But the thing is that I also wouldn't sell my entire position anyway, because you got to play it smart. You have to hit each target and be accumulating on the way down. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And this isn't going to be a short video because I'm going to kind of cover a lot, right? So when we're in a bear market, you usually want to buy when the RSI is in the red, right? You really want to buy when the RSI is in the red anyway, and you want to avoid buying the tops when the RSI is in the green, right? So when we're in a bear market, you make lower lows and lower highs, okay? Followed by capitulation. Lower low, lower high, capitulation. When you're in a bull market, you're making higher highs. You see how over here we've made higher highs every single time. And over here on the RSI, we've made higher lows every single time, right? So we're maintaining market structure and so on. So yeah, so basically, let's look at I need to really find a graph that has, so this previous high here, yeah, it would be here. So this one is the right graph. So log, RSI, we're in the green, so expect some sort of sell-off. Now, every single time that has happened, we've had a correction of around 45%. Keep in mind when we were here, this correction was around 23%. So from the high to the low, and if you really want to, say all-time high, we have to do it this way. So from the high to the low, we got stuck at the 382 at around 4 cents, 4 cents 70. So as long as we stay over 1 cent 15, 1 cent 58, then we should still be bullish and we should still maintain market structure, even with a big dip down. So you see how this came all the way down, and we only dropped by 50%. Only dropped by 50%. There was a huge dump to 50%. We bounced from the 236 and we followed up. So let's see, with that same move, we're looking at a price of around 2 cents, right? Given that it respects the 50%, it respects the retracement. Let's see if there are any areas of support there. So I would take my fib from this low to this high, and yeah, so there's a fib there. So it would theoretically stay above the 236, right? So this drop right here would be around the 50% mark. So you have support at 24. So the same thing here. You see how we bounced, and then we broke through. I think that Jasmy can still be bullish short term if it stays over 24. And keep in mind that 24 is also, so 24 is, so 2 cents 40 is an area of support. So that's first and foremost. And then the 236 at 1 cent 61 would be the lowest that it could go for some sort of long accumulation, followed by the next move up. But again, this does need to reset. And the next time we go up, we are going to make a higher high, whether we land anywhere between 11 cents and 29 cents, okay? Because we have to validate the graph and we have to be making higher highs. So keep that in mind. To answer your final question, where do I think Jasmy can go if it could break all-time high? Well, let's just say that it does hit all-time high. Let's say miraculously it actually does hit $5.21. I think that $1 is more reasonable. I think that, again, I really think that, like, I think $1 is way more reasonable, but $5.29, that would put the market cap, let's just say $5, that would put the market cap at around 250 billion. So that is a pretty big market cap. So 5 times 50 billion, 250. So $1 would be 50 billion, which is possible. 5 would be 250. And let's see what Ethereum's market cap is at right now. So Ethereum's is at 440 billion. So maybe it's possible, but I would say that's like the best. That's very, very, very moon boy status. So anyway, I hope that makes sense. I gave you the areas of resistance, the areas of support, and explained a little bit about how the market cap works and how it's fully diluted now. That's a good sign, though. Basically, it's fully diluted, which means that there are no more surprises, right? There's no more releasing of coins because all of it is already released. So if they start burning coins, that's going to be a lot more possible than it is right now, with the full max and total supply being circulated. I hope that makes sense. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for being a member, and let me know if you need anything else. And again, I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.